Yes. They're not the thing. The perfect blend.
Here we are. Congratulations. Yes, please take center stage. Have the moment. Choose your angle. Ayan, okay, smile. Wala daw pinipili na angle. Ganyan tayo.
And there's Edward Bartolo.
Let's kumaway. Rock pala tayo dyan.
Thank you. Congratulations, our Mac Cafe Blend Best Couple of the Night. Our next award is especially from our friends from Premier Drift.